Hey y'all, it's time to see if these brushes are really worth the hype. Today I'm unboxing and giving you the real deal on the BS Mall 18-piece makeup brush set. Now we're talking about premium synthetic bristles, fancy pink handles, and a whole lot more. So let's jump into it. These synthetic bristles are soft as a kitten's paw and still strong enough to grab that powder and blend it like a pro. No streaks, no uneven spots, just smooth, flawless coverage. It's like the lazy Susan of makeup storage. Keep your brushes organized, and they're right there when you need them. No more digging through drawers or makeup bags. You get 3 mini and 2 regular-sized sponges, perfect for that seamless blend. They even throw in a sponge holder for when you're on the go. Your beauty blenders won't be rolling around getting all dusty anymore. These brushes have that classic pink wooden handle paired with a rose pink aluminum tube. They're not just tools, they're a whole vibe, looking pretty on your vanity. This set has all the popular brush shapes you need. From foundation to eyeshadow, BS Mall's got you covered. It's like getting all the trending brush styles in one fell swoop. These brushes did not disappoint. Whether you're just starting out or a makeup connoisseur, this set's got the tools you need. Smooth application, a chic design, and all the essentials? Yes, please. So if you're looking to level up your makeup game without breaking the bank, the BS Mall makeup brush set is where it's at. Go ahead, treat yourself, your face will thank you. Alright, that's a wrap. Remember, when you look good, you feel good. Happy shopping and keep slaying. Just so you know, this post contains affiliate links, and I may earn a commission if you make a purchase through these links at no extra cost to you. As an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases.